Ano ka na ba? Birthday.
The ledger is to record chronologically this transaction. Give a record of documentation to support its transaction. Letter C, maintain a separate account for its balance sheet and statement. And then make sure that all balance sheet and income statement accounts have normal deposit time. Okay? Ano ba yung purpose ng ledger? So, record chronologically this transaction. Tama ba yan? Pangalawa, scale of location to support income. Maintain separate account for its balance sheet and income statement account. And make sure that the all balance sheet and income statement accounts have normal balance at all time. Ng purpose ng ledger. Ano ba yung date here?
Hindi na rin. Kasi may
So
mga
yung date here is ayan, no? Lahat ng account na ginagamit. Nandiyan yan. Okay? Anong purpose nun? Para ipunin ang lahat ng transaction na related sa kanyang role. No? Ano ba yung role ng ng ledger? Ano ba yung ledger? Ledger is a summary of all accounts. No? Summary of all accounts. Ano yung sabihin nun? Sana pupunta yung account. Pupunta sa balance sheet at income statement. Saka pag nag-report tayo doon, visit ko na kung ano yung dapat na debit, credit. So, mini-maintain niya yung